Hello friends, today we will discuss MCQs on children with disabilities and their special educational needs, which is known as SANE. It is very useful for all competitive exams like CTET, JTET, HTET, REET, etc. So first question is, a child who has difficulty in reading, writing or spelling despite normal intelligence is likely to have A. Intellectual disability, B. Dyslexia, C. Autism, D. ADHD. Answer is B. Dyslexia. Dyslexia is a specific learning disability related to reading and language processing. A student who reads dog as God may have dyslexia. Second is children with mild hearing impairment need A. Special school only, B. Ordinary classroom with hearing aids and support, C. Home schooling, D. No formal education. Answer is B. Ordinary classroom with learning aids and support. Inclusive education support it's integrating such children with assistive devices. A child uses hearing aid and sits in the front of a row in front row to lip read the teacher. Question number 3. The main aim of inclusive education is A. Teaching all children in same way, B. Excluding children with disabilities, C. Providing equal learning opportunities to all, D. Segregating children with special needs. Answer is C. Providing equal learning opportunities to all. Inclusive education ensures children with SANE learn alongside peers. P stands for A. Inclusive educational policy, B. Individual education plan, C. International education program, D. Integrated education plan. Answer is B. Individual education plan. IEP is personalized plan made for children with SANE to meet learning goals. Question number 5. The disability associated with difficulty in social interaction and repetitive behavior is A. ADHD, B. Autism spectrum disorder, that is ASD, C. Dysgraphia, D. Cerebral palsy. Answer is B. Autism spectrum disorder, ASD. Children with autism find social communication challenging and show repetitive patterns. Question number 6. A child who cannot move certain body parts properly due to brain injury is suffering from a dysgraphia, B. Cerebral palsy, C. Dyscalculia, D. Intellectual disability. B. Cerebral palsy, a child with stiff limbs or muscle coordination issues. Question number 7. RTE Act 2009 provides education to A. Only normal children, B. All children ages 6 to 14 years, including CWSN, children with special needs, C. Only girls, D. Only rural children. Answer is B. All children aged 6 to 14 years, including CW. The Act ensures inclusive, free, and compulsory education for all. Question number 8. The term CWSN refers to children with smart needs, B. Children with special needs, C. Children with school needs, D. Children with specific names. Answer is B. Children with special needs. Question number 9. ADHD is characterized by a hearing problem, B. Hyperactivity, impulsivity, inattention, C. Memory loss, D. Vision problem. Answer is B. Hyperactivity, impulsivity, inattention. A child constantly moves and finds it hard to focus on a task. Question number 10. The best approach for children with disabilities is A. Exclusion, B. Integration, C. Segregation, D. Labeling. Answer is B. Integration. Integration ensures children learn with others while receiving required support. Question number 11. A teacher notices a child has difficulty writing letters and organizing thoughts. The child likely has A. Dyscalculia, B. Dysgraphia, C. Dyslexia, D. Autism. Answer is B. Dysgraphia. The child struggles with handwriting and expressing thoughts in writing. Question number 12. A teacher's first step when identifying a child with learning difficulties should be to punish the child, B. Ignore the problem, C. Observe, record, and refer to a special educator, C. Fail the child. Answer is observe, record, and refer to a special educator. 13. Question number 13. Inclusive education encourages A, competition among normal and disabled. B, collaboration and mutual respect. C, segregation. D, elimination of weak students. Answer is B, collaboration and mutual respect. Question number 14. Which of the following is an example of visual impairment? A, color blindness. B, dyslexia. C, autism. D, ADHD. Answer is A, color blindness. Question number 15. Children with intellectual disability show a low IQ and slower learning pace. B, normal IQ and fast learning. C, overactive behavior. D, visual problems only. Answer is A, low IQ and slower learning pace. Example, they may take longer to grasp new concepts but can learn with repetition and support. Question number 16. Which of the following support helps in inclusive classroom? A, resource teacher. B, peer tutoring. C, assistive devices. D, all of the above. Answer is D, all of the above. Question number 17. Learning disability is related to A, IQ below 50. B, sensory loss. C, difficulty in specific academic areas like reading and writing. D, complete physical disability. Answer is C, difficulty in specific academic areas like reading or writing. Question number 18. A child who mixes up numbers and finds math concepts confusing may have dyslexia. B, dyscalculia. C, dysgraphia. D, ADHD. Answer is B, dyscalculia. Example, writing 25 as 52 or confusion in greater than and less than numbers. Question number 19. Teachers should use multisensory methods because A, it helps all learners including sane children to understand better. B, it is easy for a teacher. C, it avoids writing. D, it limits creativity. Answer is A, it helps all learners including sane children to understand better. Question number 20. The key principle of teaching children with SEN is A, uniform teaching method. B, child-centered and flexible approach. C, strict discipline. D, memorization only. Answer is B, child-centered and flexible approach. That's all for today. Thank you.